The urge to build is as fundamental to childhood as the urge to speak. Every time a child stacks a block or rolls a ball, they're conducting high-level research into how the world works. That's why we created the Cityscapes Bundle, to act as a bridge between imagination and the foundational laws of physics. It's an invitation for early learners to explore how structures are built, how objects move through space, and how the environments around them are intentionally designed. Today I'm going to walk you through the full suite of materials included in the Cityscapes Bundle, while covering how each component supports early engineering thinking, physical science exploration, spatial awareness, and storytelling across early learning environments. Let's start with the core materials included in the bundle. The Gosling square building blocks are structural components that invite children to design towers, bridges, roads, and enclosures. As children stack, balance, and connect pieces, they're naturally exploring stability, weight, height, and spatial relationships, which are foundational concepts in early engineering. The Discovery ramp set and the Swiss ramp stands are a complete pathway system that supports investigation into motion, gravity, speed, and cause and effect. Children test angles and adjust heights and experiment with pathways as they move objects through the cities they've designed. 2 different Quarks vehicles are also included in the bundle, which invite momentum, problem solving, and storytelling. Children explore what happens when objects move fast or slow, what stops them, how pathways influence direction, bringing physical science concepts to life. The Create a World sign-making kit supports symbolic thinking and communication. Children label spaces, create traffic signs, assign meaning to structures, and tell stories about the cities they're building, blending literacy, social learning, and design thinking. The bundle also includes the book, Lucy in the City, which is the story that introduces spatial language and city-based problem solving. It supports children in making connections between storytelling, design, mathematics, and real-world environments, serving as a powerful launching point for city building investigations. The Cityscape Bundle isn't just a comprehensive collection of building materials, it is a complete learning system, spanning the domains of design, engineering, physics, mathematics, social studies, language development, and storytelling, with the purpose of supporting educators every step of the way. You'll receive guided content that supports intentional setup, material introduction, and ways to observe and extend children's city-building investigations without interrupting play. You'll also gain access to downloadable teaching supports, composed of ready-to-use resources to help educators bring Cityscapes play to life, which includes activity ideas, provocations, guides, and a literacy lesson plan to help you get the most out of the bundle. At the heart of the Cityscapes is the idea that the environment acts as the teacher. When children are given flexible materials and time, they begin to see themselves as designers, builders, and storytellers. Now let's begin exploring what's possible when children are given the tools to design, build, and reimagine their world, one city at a time.